indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.